Homowa celebration has always been an important festival to the Ga people of Greater Accra. It is celebrated every year in the months of June through to August to hoot at hunger. Homowa itself is backed by a beautiful story. There cannot be Homowa celebration without the signature of an authentic king. Not when it is the duty of a king to light fires to pave way for the cooking of the festive food. What is What is Homowo without Kpikpile? It is customary and in fact tradition to visit the royal cemetery to sprinkle Kpikpile, an aftermath of the main celebration. This evidently tells us that the festival is not only for the living, the dead are partakers. A king should be able to communicate with his ancestors, and Homowo Festival presents the opportunity for family and friends to communicate with their dead. A king is no exception. From pouring of libations to evoking spirits to bless marriages, provide wealth, heal the sick, give children, and take revenge, etc., people troop to the cemetery. And as to whether these requests are granted, that will be a story for another day. But one thing that is certain is that the entire celebration is very spiritual. In the case of King Teiko Tsuru II, he was possessed the moment he emerged from the tomb of King Takitaria II. His composure, demeanor, and confidently I can say, his appearance changed. The way and manner he went about sprinkling and pouring libation portrayed a man who had lost his will. It was as if something or someone else who was not among us was controlling him. As he walked the cemetery, he was led to tombs by the spirits, oftentimes giving very deep gazes and strange gestures depicting someone under a spell. For a moment, I was scared of the king in my shorts, but just then I heard some of the people say, "Mumwele ekole, jele ni don, manchene, himmeile ehele awomni, leni, lele." I immediately understood them when more than 2 women and a man including Gasenye and the queen mother of Dentra, Nadanswa I, who had come to witness the ceremony, also got possessed. According to the information I gathered, spirits of dead kings do not possess those they do not accept. To believe what was going on in the cemetery, I paid keen attention to the gestures and facial expressions of the king and all others who seemed possessed to make sure they were not pretending. King Teiko Tsuru II was unaware of himself. He was of another planet. The calm and rather quiet king I saw moments ago had turned into a bold, calculative king. Just then, it dawned on me. Ga had finally gotten a king. A king accepted by both the spirit and his people. King Teiko Tsuru II. A king by all standards. And a king indeed.